Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about dividing fractions. In last Zoom lecture, we discussed about the multiplication of fraction and their example. Now we discuss about the dividing the fraction. How to divide the numbers. Okay. See, dividing the fraction. To divide the fraction, we change the second fraction with its reciprocal. Means we have to change the second fraction to its reciprocal. How we can multiply? And after that we have to then multiply the reciprocal with a first fraction. Means we have to change the sign also. Let's see the first example. Here, this is your first fraction, 2 by 4, or 2 divided by 4 divided by 4 divided by 2. This is our fraction. Now how to divide? First condition, divide the fraction. For the dividing the fraction, we change the second fraction with its reciprocal, and everyone know that reciprocal means we have to change the numerator as denominator and denominator as a numerator. Means this is your numerator, this is your denominator. Numerator become denominator, denominator become numerator. Means this 4 by 2 converted into 2 by 4, and then multiply the reciprocal with the first fraction, and then we have to multiply the reciprocal with the first fraction. See here, first fraction 2 by 4 as it is, then we have to take a reciprocal 2 by 4, because given fraction is 4 by 2. I'm changing into the 2 by 4, and I'm changing the sign also. See here also same, here 2 by 4, here divided by 4 by 2. I'm just taking the reciprocal of this and change the sign. You can observe here. Now we have to use the procedure for the multiplication. How we multiply the numbers? To multiply the fraction, we multiply the numerator and denominator separately. Means separately means upper part, numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. Now I'm multiplying these two numbers. 2 multiplied by 2 divided by 4 multiplied by 4. 2 2s are 4 and 4 4s are 16. Like that we can solve. I hope you understand this part. Now we have to discuss about the division of fraction. For that purpose we have to remember some notes. To divide a whole number by any fraction, multiply that whole number by reciprocal of that fraction. Means if you want to multiply or divide one first fraction to second fraction, we have to convert into the reciprocal, and that reciprocal multiply the first fraction. While dividing the whole number by a mixed fraction, means if you are dividing a whole number by a mixed fraction, first convert that mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Means we have to convert the given improper mixed fraction into the improper fraction, and then solve by the our regular procedure. Means if it is a fraction, then change the sign and take the reciprocal. The non-zero numbers whose product with each other 1, there are called the reciprocal of each other. Means non-zero numbers whose product with each others, mean two non-zero numbers whose multiplication, or if they are multiply each other, the answer is 1, then we can say that they are reciprocal of each other. See first example, 3 by 7. Reciprocal of 3 by 7 is equal to, we have to change the numerator as a denominator, denominator as a numerator. I'm changing, just see this 7, this here it is a new denominator, now it is become a numerator, and this is numerator, it's becoming denominator. This change is called as a reciprocal. Okay, means we have to take as a numerator as a denominator and denominator as a numerator. This is called as a reciprocal. Now you can say that reciprocal of 3 by 7 is 7 by 3. Now here 7 by 3, here numerator is greater than denominator. You can observe numerator is, and this is called as a improper fraction. Now we have to see some example from our exercise to better understand. See this first example. Find 12 divided by 3 by 4. Here division is there. For that purpose we have to take a reciprocal of a second fraction and change the sign, and we have to solve. Just I am writing the same as it is, 12 divided by 3 by 4. Now I am changing this 12 as it is. Now I am taking the reciprocal of 3 by 4 is it it is 4 by 3, and also changing the sign, division sign become a multiplication sign. Now everyone know that how to multiply the two numbers, numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator separately. Now 12 multiplied by 4, 12 4s are 48 and divided by 3. Now everyone know that I am representing that 48 like 16 multiplied by 3. Everyone know that 16 multiplied by 3, 48, and divided by same 3 as it is. This 3 and this 3 get cancelled, remaining part is 16, and 16 is your answer. Means 12 divided by 3 by 4 is equal to 16. Now see in second example, 14 divided by 5 by 6. 14 divided by 5 by 6. I am writing the number same as it is. Now we have to divide. How to divide? We have to write the number first 14 as it is. Now we have to convert that sign, divided sign, into the multiplication sign, and for that purpose we have to take a reciprocal of second fraction. Now I am taking the reciprocal of 5 by 6 is equal to 6 by 5 and change the sign. Now multiply. Everyone know that how to multiply the numbers or fraction, numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by the denominator separately. And 14 6 are 84 divided by 5. This is your final answer. I hope you understand this part. Now we are moving toward the next question. Next question, find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction and classify the reciprocal as a proper, improper fraction or whole number. Means we have to find out the given answer is a proper, improper or whole number. Just see, I am taking a first example, 5 by 8. Now we have to find out the reciprocal. Reciprocal means numerator change into denominator, denominator change into the numerator. Reciprocal of 5 by 8. Now we have to change the 8 by 5. Now what they said, the classify the reciprocal as a proper, improper. Now we have to find out this part is a proper, improper or whole number. You observe this is not whole number. Now we have to say that, check that numerator, this is 8 is a numerator and 5 is denominator. Check numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. Then everyone know that numerator is greater than denominator. Then we can say that given fraction 8 by 5 is a improper fraction. I hope you understand this concept, and you have to solve the example from exercise and solve the example and send on WhatsApp. I hope you understand. Thank you.